Hey everybody, how are you today? Hope you're doing well. Do me a favor before we get started. I need you to hit this like button. If you're not a subscriber, I need you to hit the subscribe button and notification bell next to it so that you will not miss an episode. Also, check me out on IG. My page is elevation_mentor. So today we're going to talk about something I saw in the headlines. They're talking about private equity and college admissions. But before I get started, what is private equity? So, what I would like for you to do when you get finished watching this video, just do a quick search on Google and search private private equity firms in whatever city you're in. Private equity firms in my city. And then these firms are going to pop up. I find it very interesting that all of these things are around you and you can't see them. Do you think that's interesting? I think it's interesting. So when you get finished watching the video, just do a quick Google search private equity firms in my city. What they do is they invest in your business. The thing is that your business has to already be making money. And the ones that I looked at, they expect the business to be making like $1 million businesses and stuff like that. Then after you reach that point, then they're going to invest in your business. So maybe that's why you don't know about them. And who's to say you don't know about them? Maybe you do know about them. But hey, I didn't know about it. So you have all these things around you. They're like right there, probably like 30 minutes from you. And you don't even realize they're there. I just think that is interesting. All right. And like I said before, one of the reasons maybe is that some of these things are put in place to help people that are already rich. So they're not put in place to help people who are just starting. Like maybe you're just starting, maybe you're on your journey. They expect your business to already be making money. So maybe that might be the reason why it looks hidden and it's in plain sight, right? It's for a specific group of people, and that group of people is people who already have a lot of money, right? That's not to say all private equity firms work that way, but the ones that I saw, um, they expect your business to be making money already. So do that search when you get time. Let me know what you find and what are your thoughts on it. Are you already aware of what's around you? All right, feel free to leave a comment. And so this is private equity. What's in the headlines? They're talking about private equity finds its next bet college admissions. So what is going on with college admissions? So college admissions, they have the ACT test. If you remember the ACT test, how well you do on that could determine what college you go to. I know there's a lot of things out here, right? Like some people are, um, like you've seen it, people doing fraudulent things like getting their children into college, even if they don't belong there. Like I saw a story like that. Have you guys saw those headlines? People doing that kind of thing, and then also people getting in college because they're grandfathered in. Maybe their parent is a professor there, and so they get automatic admission. So it's a lot of things going on uh, where some people are getting into college, whereas other people, you got to take this ACT test. And based on that score, that will determine what college you go to, right? So there's a lot going on in the mix. But okay, so the headline private equity finds its next bet college admission. So, what is going on with college admissions? So, this ACT test, it is created by a nonprofit out of Iowa. And so they have been having a lot of financial losses lately. So this is an actual company, right? And so when people take the ACT test, this company is making money. So if you can see there's a company behind this test that's making money. So they have been having a lot of financial losses for a variety of reasons, right? So they lost 12 million in 2022, 6 million in 2021, 6.5 million in 2020. So what they are saying is that more people are forfeiting college. So 40% of students are leaving high school to go straight to the workforce. That is what they are seeing when it comes to college. There was also a loss during the time of the pandemic. So, what does private equity have to do with this? So, private equity, they are swooping in to help with these financial losses. Because if you can imagine private equity, just think of private equity. So, I'm this person that has all of this money, and I'm going to decide which business I'm going to give this money to. So, as far as there being strings attached, um, there may be strings attached. So, be careful with that. So, but private equity is swooping in to help. So, 1.4 million students took the ACT in 2023. The ACT is partnering with a private equity firm in California. The name of it is Nexus Capital Management. So ACT is partnering with this private equity firm. So have you noticed that the uh, partnering makes you stronger. So ACT is partnering with private equity firm in California. They do state, the ACT does state that they are not in economic duress, that they did rebound from the pandemic. However, they did partner, ACT did partner with this private equity firm based in California called Nexus. So the thing with partnering with the private equity firm, some people are concerned about the level of transparency. Will the level of transparency be affected? Because ACT, as a nonprofit, it did not have to share any public information with the public. But if it's no longer going to be a nonprofit, now it's going to be partnered with private equity firm. Private equity firms don't have to share any information with the public. So some people are concerned about, will the level of transparency be affected when it comes to ACT scores and people getting into college. The SAT profit has decreased. They have saw a sharp decrease. So the SAT, the money that they got was originally 403.6 million, and then that has dropped to 289.2 million. So they are seeing financial losses. Therefore, they did partner with this private equity firm. So this is what is going on. They are saying that 40% of students are going from high school to the workforce. They're seeing that trend. Um, they're also seeing another trend that they're saying that there will be less testing requirements, that some places are requiring less testing requirements. And then there was the pandemic. So I just thought the whole thing was interesting. Basically, because there's this whole thing out here called private equity that is helping businesses, partnering with businesses, helping businesses with their succession planning. So if you have a business there are actually people out here to help you, and you just have to find out who they are, where they are, right? And looks to me that they are helping businesses that are already making millions of dollars. But I'm sure everyone is not like that, right? So I'm sure there is someone there for every different level. So, speaking of business, how is your business going? Are you working on a business? How's it going? And just keep moving forward on that, even if it looks like it's going nowhere. Eventually, it's going to have to go somewhere. Let's see. If you're not in the stock market, check out this pinned link below and join the wait list for the investment group. We are building wealth over here. You know, wealth building is, you use that diversification of different things to build wealth for safety reasons, right? So the last thing that I would like to say is check out the pin link below before you leave. And you're going to see the word petitions. Click on the word petitions, sign it, and sign it anonymously if you like. All right. So thank you for watching, everyone. Before you leave, hit that like button. If you're not a subscriber, hit the subscribe button and notification bell next to it so that you will not miss an episode. And everyone, just keep putting one foot in front of the other. All right. So thank you for watching, and hit the like button on your way out. All right. Have a good rest of your day, everyone. Bye for now.